Alright guys, Josh Tech Gamer back again with another tech video. So yeah, I actually was going to turn on the cube, but it's not working. Battery's dead, so I'll have to charge it. So alright, so we're doing an unboxing video on the Matrix keycaps. Now I did do on the cotton candy, as you guys can see right here. This is the cotton candy keycaps. If you guys want to check out their website, I'll put down the description below where you guys can see all their keycaps, space bars, and they got a lot of the good stuff. And they just came out with the purple keycaps. Like I said, it never ends, so I do want to get the purple. So I did get some dark blue, Blizzard dark blue BBT double shot backlit keycaps. Now I bought these for a while and these were actually pre-ordered, so I remember telling you guys in the past I had these on the way. So we're gonna add a little bit of pink with the dark blue. So the light blue is gonna go and it's gonna be dark blue and stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely be using this on my next purchase. So, and they also sell space bars now, custom space bars, and I ordered 3 of them, so I have some on the back order coming. So this keyboard is gonna be really good, and then I might be ordering the purple keycaps. So guys, check out their website. They got a lot of stuff, and if Matrix, I'm more likely they'll be watching this video. Let's talk. Let's send me some stuff. I'll do some unboxings, you know, show your products, because I really think they have really great good products and stuff. So yeah, they did watch my last video and I was actually pretty shocked. They came to me, left messages and everything, and they liked my videos. So thanks a lot, Matrix, for the support. I appreciate it. Keep bringing out good products and I will be doing videos on them. So yeah, so I did get the look at that. Ooh. I have it like this because the glare, but yeah, we're definitely going to do an unboxing on these. We're going to put the keycaps on, try these out, and see how they come out. So, oh, and real quick before we start the video, again, another update on the desk. I was going to get it this weekend, but they are still out of stock, and they're until next week. So I might have to wait a whole nother week to get the Carl B countertop. So there was another countertop I was going to get, but I'm focused on what I want. So yeah, so I was going to get it this Saturday, but I don't think it's gonna happen because they're still out of stock. So let's do the unboxing and let's check out these new keycaps. So these keycaps are gonna be really great, and I do want to add some purple in there. That would look so good. So alright guys, I appreciate it. So before we get into unboxing, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and I'll put down Matrix website where you can check all their cool stuff out. So yeah. Oh yeah, and one more second before I go, I am going to put JD Tech Gear, my friend, YouTuber friend, he has mouse pads out. I will put down the description below where you guys can check out the link and buy his mouse pads. Go check them out. I haven't bought one yet because I've been saving my money for the desk and I've been spending so much money. So probably going to get one, but we'll see. But if you guys want to check those JD mouse pads out, I'll put down the description below where you can check it out. I'll say JD Tech Gears. I'll put his Discord down too so you guys can follow him. So just want to let you guys know about that because he just released it and you can get him while you can. So alright, let's get into the unboxing. Alright, so this is the Cotton Candy Matrix keycaps. Of course, Space Cables just actually sent me a message. Oh, they just tweeted something. Just put my phone on silent. Alright, so this is the Cotton Candy keycaps. So if you guys want to see any of my unboxing videos, I'll put down the description below where you guys can check them out. I think this is going to look really good, so let's do the unboxing. So these are the Blizzard Dark Blue. So let's open these up. And it does come with a keycap holder, so we're good to go on that. Now I do have the Taihao keycaps and I will be using those, but first I'm going to take them out and try these. So so these are the dark blues, and these will actually light up, so you won't have to. It looks like it's really dark, but you'll actually be good. So like I said, it does come with the keycap holder. I do have one on the back of my keyboard. If you guys are wondering what keyboard I have the Glorious gaming keyboard, modular, 10 keyless. You can change out the switches, the keycaps, everything. Everything I did on the keyboard with this keycap, the space cable, everything, check out the description below. Yeah, just check everything out. You guys could see all the unboxing videos down there. So yeah, so let's check this out. So we'll have to take the Taihao keycaps out. So I guess we'll just start switching it over. That looks freaking... What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? So I am getting space bars, like I said, for this. Come on, big boy. Come on, come to Papa. There you go. Why not do dark blue? Make it all match. So I am getting the space bars, and the space bars are going to be really good. Trust me, they're all designed and everything. So I am going to leave the purple on there, and honestly I think the blue looks good with the dark pink and the purple with the blue mouse pad. This is the JD Tech Gear mouse pad that I have. People always ask me about that. It does not have it in stock, but like I said, I'll put down his new mouse pads in the description below. So these are the old ones. I have all blue, and I can also keep them. So it does come with this little keycap holder and a dust cover. So that is pretty cool. I do have the other ones. So yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. I like the space cable. I also still like my purple space cable, but you know, I'm just kind of moving things around, switching things around. So the desk is going to look really nice. So when we do videos, you'll see the Carlby desk. So I don't mind black. It's just after a while, I'm kind of get tired of black, and I've been wanting the desk set up for so long. So yeah. So yeah, this is the Matrix keycaps. I think they look really good, and their Matrix keycaps are really holding up during Fortnite and gaming and everything. I did do the Taihao and switched them out, but using everything else, they do hold up. So the rubber keycaps do help. So when I'm pushing down, I have that grip. So I'm going to tell you about the Taihao keycaps. They're rubber keycaps, of course, and they got that grip. So yeah, so if you guys want these, I recommend these. I did get these to mechanical keyboards, so you can save these for whenever you want. Now, like I said, they do have the purple keycaps, so I might just get all the purple keycaps. They do have different color purple. It is a dark purple, so I think they would look good with purple and blue and everything, because that's the kind of theme I'm going for. So yeah, guys, here it is. I think it looks really good. So yeah, let's get back to the don't worry, guys, there'll be plenty of b-roll shots. I'll do some b-roll shots for this video. So yeah, the JD mousepad, I love this mousepad. I love this mousepad. It's really holding up. So yeah, it's looking pretty dope, as you guys can kind of see. Man, it's just looking fresh, you know. So all right, let's go back to the video. There it is, guys, the dark blue. This is called the Blizzard Dark Blue. Honestly, with the blue mousepad and everything, it looks really good. If I had like black, like the Render Frank P mousepad, that would look even better. But yeah, that looks really nice. I did like the light blue, so I just kind of mixed it up. So that was the cotton candy. This is actually the Blizzard Dark Blue, and these are BBT double shot backlit keycaps. So it's gonna look good when everything is complete. Also ordered, like I said, 3 space bars, so they will be on their way. So yeah, so I appreciate it, guys. Thanks for watching for Josh Tech Gamer. I will be getting some more Matrix stuff coming. I can't wait and stuff, and the desk should be coming soon. So like I said, if you want to check anything out in the video that I did today, if you guys are curious on certain stuff, my unboxing playlist down below in the description, you can go through it and you can watch all the unboxing videos I did for all this tech stuff. I did everything, and it's all in 4K and everything. So JD Tech Gear's mouse pad will be down below. It's not this one. He actually made a Bubble Tea. I think it's Bubble Tea dust mats. So check those out, and if you guys want to get them, enjoy them, because they look really good, and honestly I even might get one. So alright, guys, that's about it. I think they look really good. Dude, this looks so different. This looks so different because honestly, I had all black, black keyboard, black keycaps, just no colors, no nothing. So just the whole desk setup is just coming along. It's gonna look even better when I have the desk complete. So, all right, guys. Like I said, thanks for watching Josh Tech Gamer for the 5th millionth time, and I will check you guys later.